Hello everyone, welcome back again to the PPT template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. In this video, I will show how to make gradient icons or logos in PowerPoint. Let's start. Open your PowerPoint program in your laptop or computer. Click Insert and select Stock Icons in Tab Icons. Finally, click Insert to insert into the workspace. Before changing shape icon can't change color. Select the icon and click the menu Graphic Image. Click Convert to change, click Gradient Fill. Select Color and Setting Gradient Color. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe PPT template channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from the PPT template channel. Thanks for watching.